Yeah, continue writing, children. Dhanvin, you should start writing from here, Dhanvin. Done writing, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I can't see your screen, ma'am. Have you shared your screen, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Others, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Maybe I can see the WhatsApp and write.
No, no, no. You just leave the meeting and join again. You can see it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am, yeah, ma'am. Now it's visible.
Yeah, yeah. Done writing, children?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Done writing, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have not completed, ma'am. Can I leave one page and write?
Yes, yes, Anirudh, please.
Ma'am, we have to write the numbers, ma'am.
Oh,
Yeah.
I missed the track. No, I missed the track of the number, so I stopped writing.
Ma'am,
You
it's
can
11.
No, no, okay, fine. You check that and write it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, what you are writing now is 12, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Done writing?
No, ma'am. Yes. Completed, ma'am.
Yeah.
Completed. Completed, ma'am.
Okay.
Is this the continuation of the 12th one,
No,
ma'am?
no. This is a new
The
thing.
separate one, ma'am.
Don't give a number for this.
Okay.
It's a separate one. Yes.
Then, ma'am.
One minute. Just make a change here. For the earlier one, take down this picture also.
Ma'am, should we take a picture?
No. Draw this nearby. In the earlier, go back to the earlier one and draw this picture also, I said.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I drew the picture.
Or you can just write continued and do something.
Yeah, ma'am. And ma'am.
Yeah. Now I'm writing for this figure, okay? For this figure, for the second figure I'm writing here. I'll just say in figure 1. This is figure 1. And you can mark this figure 2. So in the figure 2. Which is a transversal? In figure 2, which is a transversal?
Ma'am, R.
R is
The transversal that intersects line M and N.
that intersects. That intersects.
Line M at P and line N at Q.
Wrong. That intersects. Somebody tell me that intersects line. No, Anirudh,
Intersects line.
Ma'am, line L and M.
that intersects line P at
And Q.
At L.
1 minute. We'll now 1 minute. See, this is line P. Okay, this is line P.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Ma'am, I think Anirudh is talking about figure 1.
And this is line P. And this is line R. Where do they meet?
Ma'am, M.
M. See the second figure. In the second figure, R is a transversal. In the second figure, R is a transversal that intersects line P at M. See, here they meet no at M. And,
Yeah.
and line Q at
N.
N.
Yeah, ma'am.
So see here, this is that line Q.
You didn't write
This,
at M, ma'am.
Yeah.
In this line. You didn't write at M. Line P at M. You didn't write, ma'am. You
Oh,
straight
line
away
P.
went.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Line P at M. Correct. M. Line P at M and line Q at N. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Done.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah. Just taking a picture. Now, let me check if you understood the earlier slide. Tell me. Name the 3 lines in this figure.
Ma'am, line L.
E, L and M.
Ma'am, line L, line M, line T.
Line T, line L and line M.
Correct. Line L, line M, line T. Now, where do the lines L and, okay, I didn't mark it, no? Where do the lines L and T meet? L and T, sorry.
L and T. Ma'am, at line A.
What line A? Point A. That's a point. Where do
Point
the lines L and T meet? At which point?
A.
Point A.
At point A. Where do the lines M? Where do the lines M and T
Point
meet?
B.
Point B. Point
At
B.
point B.
B.
So line L and line T. Line L and line T, they intersect at A, at the point A. Line M and line T, they intersect at the point B. Understood that?
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Let me ask you one more. Where do the lines M and P meet?
Ma'am, point C.
At the point C.
C.
Now, what is the next? What is the next question? Where do the
Ma'am,
lines?
where does point M, I mean, where does line P and line N meet?
Yeah. Where do the lines P?
Point D. Point D.
Okay, at the point D. So lines
Yeah.
P and N, that is line P and line N, they meet at the point D. This is the point of intersection of this line P and this line N. This is the point of intersection of this line P and this line M.
N.
And now continue writing this.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. So if the interior angles are angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6, which are the exterior angles?
Ma'am, angle 1, angle 2.
Angle 7 and angle 8.
Okay. Can you make out from the position, children? 3, 4, 5, and 6. They are called interior angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, and angle 8 are exterior angles. Okay?
They are like inside these two angles, but that are outside these angles.
Yeah, correct. Yes.
Completed.
Yeah.
Completed.
So when two lines are intersected by a transversal, how many angles are formed?
8.
8 angles are formed. 8 angles are formed around the transversal. Of these 8 angles, 4 angles are called interior angles, and the other 4 angles are called exterior angles. Correct?
Yeah, ma'am.
So totally 8 angles. 4 of them are called interior angles, and the other 4 are called exterior angles. Now continue. It's a continuation now. I'm in the next slide, but it's a continuation. Now, some angles are called corresponding angles. Let's find out which are corresponding angles. I'm just drawing the figure again, children, because I needed to explain. You don't have to draw the figure again, okay? I'm drawing the figure again. Yeah, you don't draw.
Ma'am, should we just write pairs of corresponding angles formed alone?
Yeah, don't draw the figure, write others.
Okay, ma'am.
Write everything. Write everything. Don't draw the diagram again.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. So you should understand from the position, children. Angle 1 and angle 5, they are corresponding angles. you can see that they are on the same side of the transversal. On the same
Like
side
they
they
are
are.
on the
No. Just listen to me. So angle 1 and angle 5. Look at the position. 1 is an exterior angle. Angle 1 is exterior angle. Angle 5 is an interior angle. Yes or no?
Yeah,
Angle
ma'am.
one- Yeah.
Yes.
In this pair, angle 1 is an exterior angle. Angle 5 is an interior angle. Both of them lie on the same side of the transversal. They are corresponding angles. Then angle 4 and angle 8. 4 is interior, 8 is exterior. And they lie on the same side of the transversal. Corresponding angles. Similarly, on the other side of the transversal, we have 2 and 6. Like 1 and 5, 2 and 6. See, like 1 and 5, we have 2 and 6 on the other side. And like 4 and 8, we have 3 and 7.
Ma'am, so the condition of a corresponding angle, they should be on the same side, and also one should be an exterior angle and other should be an interior angle, like that, ma'am?
Yeah, correct. But it should not form a linear pair. Now, you cannot say angle 1 and angle 4. For example, angle 1 and angle 4. Okay. Now, angle 1 is what? It is an exterior angle. Angle 4 is an interior angle. They lie on the same side of the transversal, but they form a linear pair. So they are not corresponding angles. If they form a linear pair, they are not corresponding angles.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, similarly, 5 and 8. Angle 5 and angle 8, they lie on the same side. See here, look at 5 and angle 8, angle 5 and angle 8. 5 is interior, 8 is exterior. Both of them
Like
lie
they
on the
should
same.
not be.
Yeah, both of them lie on the same side of the transversal, but they form a linear pair. Then they are not corresponding angles. Corresponding angles will not form a linear pair.
Yeah, ma'am. They should not be close to each other, ma'am.
Like that we can remember. Yes, they should not be adjacent angles.
Ma'am,
They should
like we can take it. Ma'am, we can like take it like one, skip one angle, and go down immediately.
Very good. See, like that you can remember. Yeah, 1, skip 1 angle and 5. Correct. Then
Ma'am,
4, skip it and then 8. Correct. Very good. Okay. Like that you can have different ways of remembering.
Ma'am, can I write like conditions for corresponding angles and write they should not be close, like that? Can I write star and write?
Yeah, you can make a note of this. So they should lie, conditions are, they should lie on the same side of the transversal. And one will be an interior angle, the other will be an exterior angle, but they should not be adjacent angles.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. I can write it here for you. You can write the same thing. Write down this also, children.
Ma'am, but I wrote in my own like what I
Very good.
understand.
Don't change it. Leave it. Yeah, very good.
Ma'am, like one should be interior and other should be exterior. They should not be adjacent angles and they should not be close to each other, like that.
They should be on the same side of the transversal. That is important.
Yeah, ma'am, that, ma'am. Ma'am, I wrote one should be interior and other should be exterior. They should be on same side. They should not be close to each other.
Very good. Correct.
Yeah, ma'am.
So corresponding angles lie on the same side of the transversal. One angle is an interior angle, the other is an exterior angle, but they should not be adjacent angles. That means they should not lie close to one another, next to one another. Done writing, all of you?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. This is the next one. Pairs of alternate interior angles formed. Pairs of alternate interior angles formed. So alternate interior angles are interior angles. They must be interior angles. Both of them should be interior angles. And they lie on either sides of the transversal. That means if one angle is on one side, the other angle should be on the other side, not on the same side. They should be on opposite sides.
Yes, ma'am.
And they should be interior angles because alternate interior angles. So both of them must be interior angles. And they should lie on either sides of the transversal. So you should select the angle satisfying these conditions. So if you take 3, 3 is an interior angle. Angle 3 is an interior angle. And angle 5 is also an interior angle.
So it's a pair of alternate interior angles.
Yeah, so angle 3 and angle 5 form a pair of alternate interior angles because angle 3 lies on one side, angle 5 lies on the other side of the transversal. So
And angle 4 and
yeah, very good. Similarly, angle 4 and angle 6. Angle 4 is in the interior. Angle 6 is also interior. Both are interior angles. But angle 4 lies on, say, the right side of the transversal. But 6 lies on the left side of the transversal. So they are alternate interior angles. Only 2 pairs are formed.
yeah, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah, this is the next one. I'm changing it here only, children. This is the next one. The heading is, you should write the heading, pairs of alternate exterior angles formed. I'm doing the corrections in this slide only. You don't rub that and write this one. This is the next one. Correct, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is the next heading, pairs of alternate exterior angles. Pairs of alternate exterior angles. This is the next heading. So tell me, alternate means they should lie on either sides of the transversal. So
Ma'am,
for
can I
angle
say
1,
angle 1 and angle 7?
Angle 2 and 8 next to one, ma'am. That's
Yes,
all.
ma'am.
2 and very good. Yeah, angle 1 and angle 7, then angle 2 and angle 8.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, that's all. Only 2 pairs. See, in corresponding angles, we have 4 pairs. In alternate also, we have 4 pairs. Corresponding angles, we have 4 pairs. Alternate angles also, we have 4 pairs. But alternate angles, we have 2, like alternate interior angles and alternate exterior angles. So for alternate interior angles, we have 2 pairs. And for alternate exterior angles, we have 2 pairs. So totally 2 plus 2, 4. For alternate angles, we have 4 pairs. 2 for alternate interior angles and 2 pairs for alternate exterior angles.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah,
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
yeah, Chandu.
Ma'am, you can go to the next one.
Yeah, I'm taking pictures, no? So that's why the delay. 1 second. Okay. So far we saw we first saw in all the angles formed, all the 8 angles formed. Then of the 8
Parallel.
angles, 4 angles are interior angles and 4 angles are exterior angles. And then we saw pairs of corresponding angles, pairs of alternate interior angles, pairs of alternate exterior angles. Now the next one is
Vertically opposite angles and linear.
co-interior angles. Okay, the next one is co-interior angles, also called allied angles. Co-interior angles or allied angles. So as you can see from the name, co-interior, that means both of them should be interior angles. If they lie on either sides of the transversal, they'll become alternate interior angles. So they should lie, so co-interior angle should lie on the same side of the transversal. Both of them should be interior angles. Co-interior angles are a pair of angles which are both interior angles and both of them lie on the same side of the transversal. Because if they lie on opposite sides of the transversal, they'll become alternate interior angles.
Ma'am, so they will be like.
So co-interior angles are, both of them are interior angles and both of them should lie on the same side of the transversal. So tell me the pairs.
Ma'am, 3, 6, 4.
3, 6 and 4, 5.
Correct. Angle 3 and angle 6. You can see that angle 3 and angle 6 both are interior angles. And both of them lie on the same side, one side, the same side of the transversal. That is to the left side of the transversal. Anirudh, please disable your mic. If
Yeah,
you want
ma'am.
to say something, yes. So angle 3 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 5. Four interior angles are two interior angles. Are two interior angles lying on the same side, lying on the same side of the transversal. Four interior angles are two interior angles. They are two interior angles lying on the same side of the transversal. So angle 3 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 5. Yeah.
Ma'am, next one is co-exterior angles for that I wrote examples and definition and completed, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. So I'm correcting that on the same slide, children.
Ma'am, completed everything completed.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So the next one is co-exterior angles. Co-exterior angles are only co-exterior angles. They are not called allied angles. Normally means co-interior angles. Allied angles normally mean co-interior angles.
Ma'am,
So
we can't say it as like non-allied angles. We can't say it like that.
No. Good thought, but no. Okay, so co-exterior angles. Tell me the angles. Both of them should be exterior angles and they should lie on the same side of the transversal. Both must be exterior.
Ma'am, angle 1 and angle 8 and angle 2 and angle 7.
Okay. 1 and 8, both are exterior angles and they lie on the right side. Both of them lie on the right side of the transversal. Angle 2 and angle 7, both are exterior angles. 2 and 7. Both are exterior angles and they lie to the left side of the transversal. So co-exterior angles are two exterior angles. Are two exterior angles lying on the same side of the transversal.
Complete.
Yeah.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah. Since I'm taking photos, it's just.
And that's all, ma'am. Please, class.
1 second, 1 second.
Ma'am, that's all, ma'am.
No. 1 minute. I just have little more to complete the introduction to parallel lines and transversal. I think 5-10 more minutes. I'll wind up. Any doubts so far?
No, ma'am, no doubts.
Oh, ma'am.
Okay. Now, have you all come across vertically opposite angles in 6th standard?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now let's see vertically opposite angles. Second.
Ma'am, this is the last topic for today's class, ma'am.
Avinish, if you have to go out somewhere, I think you can leave the meeting because I need a little more time to wind up with the introduction. So I think I'll take another 10-15 minutes. I'll share the recording with you and the images. Yeah, if you have to leave, you can leave the meeting. Huh?
I will be here.
Yeah, so I think maximum by 12 I'll finish. Okay. Yeah. So when are vertically opposite angles formed? When two lines intersect. When two lines intersect, vertically opposite angles are formed. So in this figure, line L and line M, they intersect at the point O. That's not 0, that is O. They intersect at the point O. Okay, so the vertically opposite angles formed will be equal. Angle 1 and angle 3. You can see that they are opposite to one another, vertically opposite. You can see that they are opposite to each other, 1 and 3. So angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angles and they're equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angles and they're equal. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4.
Okay.
Okay. Finish writing?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Finish writing, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, how many topics are there, ma'am, still?
I don't know how many, but another 10 minutes I'll wind up. I don't know meaning there is lots. I'll stop in 10 minutes. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, like I'm
Tired, no?
hungry, ma'am.
Oh, yeah, darling, you didn't finish your breakfast. Okay.
I am in the mood to go out, ma'am.
Correct.
I'm waiting for that plan. Now we go to
Okay.
out.
Yeah, yeah. You're going to your hometown. Yeah, I know you'll be excited. 10 minutes, I'll finish. Okay. Now tell me now coming back to this figure, children. Coming back to this figure, tell me the vertically opposite angles formed in this figure.
Ma'am, angle 1 and angle 3. Angle 2
I'll
and
ask.
angle 2.
One second. I'll ask Harini, Shri Harini, tell me. In this figure, what are the vertically opposite angles formed?
Angle 1,
Angle 1,
angle 8.
no, vertically opposite angles. They'll be like this. So can we see two lines meeting here? One here and one here. They're meeting here. No, see here. Here, like
Yeah.
this here. Yeah. So this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles. This angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles. So angle 1 and
3.
yeah, angle 1. And we know that vertically opposite angles formed are equal. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Angle 1 and angle 3. Angle 1 is actually equal to angle 3. They are vertically opposite angles and they're equal. Then other pair.
2
Harini. Ah,
and 4.
very good. And vertically opposite angles are equal. So 2 is equal to 4. Okay, thank you, Harini. Avanish. Danvin, not Avanish. Danvin.
Ma'am, angle 6 and 8.
Angle 6 and angle 8. And vertically
Angle-
opposite angles are equal. So angle 6 is equal to angle 8. Then
Angle 7 and angle 5.
angle 5 and angle 7. And
Angle 5 is equal to angle 7.
very good, very good. Yeah, please write down. This I told you in general what are vertically opposite angles. This one is in general. Now we are continuing with that figure. This one is in continuation with the figure.
Ma'am, so we need to draw the figure. I have drawn it, ma'am.
No, you don't have to repeat this figure. This you already have, no? This figure you already have. Don't repeat this one.
Ma'am, but I've drawn it, ma'am.
No problem. It's okay. It's okay. It's the same figure, but understand it's a continuation.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. You should have learned vertically opposite angles last year, but since you, most of us were not sure, I just recall that.
Ma'am, this is easy, ma'am. This is easy only.
Yeah. Okay. So one more linear pair and we'll wind up the session for today. There is still more in the introduction, but since it's time and you're all in Sunday mood to go out, I'll stop at 12. 5 more minutes, I'll wind up. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Finish writing, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. The next one. In this figure, we are going to identify the linear pair. Linear pairs formed in this figure. Okay. Linear pairs formed or linear pair of angles formed. Yeah. Linear pair of angles formed. Angle 1 and angle 4. Angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180. Or let me write 1 and 2 first. I'll tell you why. Okay, so linear pair should be adjacent angles, no? So you can see there. You can see, I'm just showing you that top part. This is angle 1 and this is angle 2. This is angle 1, this is angle 2. See, they are adjacent angles. They are adjacent angles. Angle 1 and angle 2, they are adjacent angles. And you can see that their non-common arms are opposite rays. Their non-common arms are opposite rays. Angle 1 and angle 2 form a pair of adjacent angles. And you can see that their non-common arms are opposite rays. This one is a straight line. This one is a straight line. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. Now like this, tell me more. Angle 1 and angle 2, then angle 2 and?
Angle 2 and
3.
2 and 3. Angle 2 and 3. So angle 2 plus 3 also will be 180 degrees.
yes, ma'am.
See,
And
2 and
angle
3
1
like
and
this.
angle 4.
See,
Angle
2 and
1
3. 2 and 3. 2 is here, 3 is here. They are adjacent angles.
yes, ma'am.
2 and 3 from the figure, they are adjacent angles. And they lie on a straight line. So their sum is 180 degrees.
Ma'am, also 1 and 4. Angle 1 and 4.
Yeah, we'll go in the order. We'll just follow some order.
Ma'am,
So
3,
after 2 and
3
3,
and 4.
yeah, we'll write
3
3
and
and 4, correct. Angle 3 and angle 4. Below, see here like this. 3 is here, 4 is here. 3 and 4. They're adjacent angles. They're next to one another. They're adjacent angles and they form a linear pair. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees. Then?
Ma'am, angle 4 and angle 1.
Yeah, angle 4 and angle 1. Angle 4 and angle 1.
Yeah.
Angle 4 plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degrees. Then there are many more. Tell me.
Ma'am,
Next one.
angle
Ma'am, angle 5
and
angle 5
angle
and angle 6.
angle 6.
Angle 5 and angle 6. Very good. So 5 plus 6 is equal to 180.
180.
Next.
Ma'am,
Next.
angle 6 and angle 7.
Yeah, angle 6 and 7. Yeah, 6 plus 7 is equal to 180. Then?
Ma'am, after that
Angle
7
8
plus 8 and 8
angle 7 and 8, ma'am.
is equal
Correct.
to 7 plus.
Yeah. Harini, one more. Harini, the last one. Harini, finish it.
5
5 and 6, 6 and 7, 7 and 8.
7 and 8, 9.
No, darling. 9 எங்க இருக்கீங்க? 9 இல்ல.
Ma'am, can I say?
No, wait. She'll say. Harini, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8. Then?
8, 7.
No. 7, 8, 8, 7, both are the same.
Ma'am, can I say? 7, 1.
No. 7 and 1, no, not there. They are not adjacent angles, 7 and 1. Okay, no problem. Yes, Anirudh?
Ma'am, 8 and 5.
8 and 5, angle 8 and angle 5.
Yeah,
Angle
ma'am.
8 and angle 5. Angle 8 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. So when two lines are intersected by a transversal, so to conclude, children, the conclusion is this. When two lines are intersected by a transversal, you can see so many pairs of angles being formed. Vertically opposite angles are formed, they are equal. You can see linear pairs of angles, they'll add up to 180. Then you will find alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, corresponding angles, co-interior angles, and co-exterior angles. So when you come to the next class, please be able to identify the positions correctly. Only then you can enjoy the class. If we are not able to identify the angles, then it will be boring. If you don't understand, you will not enjoy the class. So please revise this before you come to the next class on Tuesday. All right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. All of you finish this?
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
All right. I've also shared all the pictures on WhatsApp, children. Dhanvin, please complete your notes. All right, Dhanvin?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Any questions? Anybody? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Hope you
ma'am.
will leave the call. Enjoy your Sunday. Happy Sunday. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you.
We keep another session, ma'am.
No, I don't think, because two of them are not available. Dhanvin and Avnish, they're going out. So it's not possible, Anirudh.
Ma'am, for rational numbers, that only, ma'am. That chapter only.
Yeah, you go through the chapter and you ask me your doubts. I can clarify that for you. That's not a problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, Anirudh. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah, I'll just stop the recording. 1 second. 1 second, Tanya.
Yes.